How to see deleted messages on Discord PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open any browser. I have opened Chrome and then click on Better Discord at the top. Type in, then click on Better Discord. Simply click on Download and download the version of your desktop. After you have downloaded, open it and you'll find this kind of screen. Scroll down and click on I accept and press on Next. Then click on Next again by clicking on Install Better Discord. After you have done that, select the version of your Discord and press on Install at the bottom. After that, Better Discord will be installed. Now open a new tab and search Lighty Discord and click on Lighty's Better Discord stuff. After you've clicked on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down and click on Download in the Message Logger V2. After you have downloaded, go to Discord and click on Open Plugin folder. In here, simply paste what you downloaded earlier, which is the plugin V2 Message Logger. Then open Discord and go to Plugins and turn up XENOLIB and then turn on Zero Plugins. After you turn this on, even if people delete message, you'll be able to see them. This is how to see deleted messages on Discord PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.